In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this instant zoom effect with your iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's really quick, it's super simple, and it's unique. I don't know anything else like it that can be achieved this simply. Hi, my name's Saab Johal and thanks for joining me on my channel. Think of me as your guide at your side, on your side. And you know all about liking and subscribing, but do comment too, eh? I'd love to know how you went with this tip and see your examples too. Okay, let me show you how to do this. On your iPhone 11 Pro and or Pro Max, you'll have 3 cameras to select from, not including the selfie camera. You've got the telephoto, the standard camera, and also the ultra wide camera too. Nice to have that choice. Select your native camera app in your iPhone and you'll see the selector here on the right hand side of the app screen. I'm holding the phone in landscape at the moment, so it looks good for YouTube, but it's the same for portrait mode too. So if you're thinking about Instagram or Facebook stories for your videos, this will work. So here we go. First, let's switch into video mode, and you can test this without recording, or you can hit the record button straight away and get rolling. Now let's start off with the one-time zoom. It's just starting to rain out here, but that's fine. This really won't take long. Okay, I want an instant close-up at 2x zoom. How am I going to do that? Let me press the camera and wham, and it goes. No sliding in, no overshooting 2 times, no blank screen as it switches camera, seamless and instantaneous. It's there. But wait, there's something going on out of camera shot and I want to capture that, but I also want to stay capturing what I'm already filming. Simple. Hit the ultra wide camera and wham, out it goes. No blank screening, but smoothly into a very wide angle, giving you a great establishment shot, settling the scene after a detailed close-up. Okay, in, out, switching cameras is a really nice effect you can achieve. And I've had an iPhone right from the very beginning with the first edition. I don't think I've ever seen this before. And to achieve this with a DSLR or a mirrorless camera would be a heck of a lot more complicated than how you've just learned how to do this on your iPhone. It's actually quite shocking what you can do with a video on an iPhone these days. God, I sound so old. Now, I've tried this with another app, the Moment Pro camera app, and it doesn't switch between the different cameras on the iPhone quickly enough to get that effect. In fact, you do get that blank screening. So it does look like a native camera app thing, and I've used this quite a lot. It's a great little trick to add to your B-roll for longer videos or for shorter little posts on social media like Instagram and Facebook. Facebook. It's a nice little trick using the set focal lengths, and it's an almost instantaneous bam and you're zoomed in and out rather than a more gradual effect or overshooting and then correcting. I mean, you can do that with a zoom slider, but it's nowhere near as crisp as this. Now, using the native iPhone camera app, I suspect you can also do this trick on an iPhone 11 with the 2 lenses, cameras on that. And I suspect that you can do this now on any iPhone with more than 1 camera capable of running iOS 13. But I'm not sure. I'd love to hear from you if you can. Give it a try for me, please, with your iPhone XS and other models, and let me know down in the comments below. I'm sure others would love to know. So what do you think? I'd love to read your comments and talk about this in the comments below. Tell me your experience. And thanks for watching. Remember to like the video if you've liked it, subscribe for more videos, and click notifications so you know when I've posted more. Cheers, and go well.